You see this old BMW? That's my E30, and I've spent over $20,000 on it. And guess what? I'm still not done. This is not just a car, it's been an emotional roller coaster. One I didn't sign up for, but now I can't live without. If you're into classic cars, you know the story. But if you're new here, welcome to the madness. Let's start with the beginning. I bought this E30 for $14,000. Sounds crazy? Well, in Thailand, cars aren't cheap. We have a 300% import tax on vehicles, so what might cost you $5,000 elsewhere costs triple here. And yeah, cars depreciate a lot here too, but I didn't care. I saw this car and fell in love instantly. It wasn't perfect, far from it, but I was ready, or I thought I was. Right after I got it, I wanted to make sure it was healthy. I replaced every single rubber component, water hoses, engine seals, all of it. Changed every fluid, engine oil, coolant, differential oil, brake fluid, got new tires, even addressed some rust and fixed the front lip paint. That cost me around $2,000. Not cheap, but it felt good, like I was doing it right. Then the problem started. One day the fuel pump died. Fine, $150. Then I took it to a shop to fix the sunroof. They didn't fix it, but they still charged me $100. No refund, still broken. But that wasn't the worst part. At that shop, someone opened the radiator cap and didn't close it. I didn't know. I hit the tollway and the car overheated badly. Middle of traffic, I had to get towed $150. But more than the money, it hurt. It felt like betrayal. So I pulled everything out, checked engine compression, replaced the radiator with a custom aluminum one, replaced every hose and every plastic part in the engine bay. Because when your engine overheats, every rubber and plastic in there becomes a time bomb. New oil, new coolant. Installed a water temperature gauge, some more minor fixes. Cost $1,200. Then the fuses, relays, and wiring started going bad. Heat damage, age, who knows? So I said, screw it. Let's rewire it all. Every wire in the engine bay, every relay, every fuse. We fixed the power window wiring, rebuilt grounding wires, even fixed the dash. Another $1,000 gone. But at this point, I realized I was building more than just a car. I was restoring a part of automotive history with my own hands, my own blood, sweat, and yeah, too much money. So what's next? Option 1, keep the M44 engine, do a manual swap, coil conversion, standalone ECU, maybe even turbo it. Option 2, K24 turbo manual swap, tempting, or V8 swap, or M54 manual swap, or maybe M52 B28 turbo. That'd be wild. I also need to fix my coilovers. But more than mods, I want to drive this thing across Thailand. Road trips over 1,000 kilometers, beach to mountain, rain or shine. Just me, my E30, and the road. So, is it worth it? I've spent $20,000, a lot of stress, a lot of time. But this car has taught me patience, discipline. It's broken me, built me, humbled me. I've felt helpless and unstoppable. It's not just about the E30, it's about what it represents. Freedom, passion, a connection to something real in a world that's going all electric, all digital, all disposable. If you've ever loved a car, you understand. And if you're new to this world, buckle up, there's more to come. More breakdowns, more upgrades, more road trips. So if you're into old cars, crazy stories, or you're just curious to see what happens next, hit subscribe. Because this ride, it's far from over.